I'd say probably the most frequently asked question that I get, if not every day or at least every week, is how do I promote Live Good? All right, what's the best way? What's your number one way? And I couldn't be more dead serious about this. I don't follow statistics as much as I should. And that's because I think that it can mess your mind up a little bit. Okay? And this is what I mean. I'm a maniac on email. Okay? And I love to send out emails every day. And I send out well over 100,000 with not just this opportunity, but 6 other ones that complement Live Good. Okay? With education, with traffic, with how to post and be interesting on, TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. But everything I do at the end of the day that earns me money online, it complements Live Good. Okay? And the number one question I get, I know I'll probably get 2 or 3 at least emails or inboxes on my Facebook page is, okay, what should I do? What's the number one way? If I just do one thing, what is the best way to get people interested in Live Good? And it's just not that easy. I hope that you do email and you get a hold of me and I can show you how I send well over 100,000 emails a day with just a click. It's super easy. This company actually pays me $2,500 cash or more each month. It gets higher and higher, and it's only $1 a day, $30 a month. So let's get you emailing, okay? But you got to do it every day. I don't care if you get a sign up or not or whatever. If it's a cloudy day or I don't know, maybe you stubbed your toe on some stairs, but I want you to get in the habit of doing the same thing every day, regardless of a whole bunch of stats and statistics. Because if you're addicted to just analyzing, guess what? I just made 5 other short little videos or emails or posts. Okay. And I'm going to out create you or out post you or out email you. Okay. So don't get too tripped up on stats. It's good to follow, obviously, but get in the habit of doing the same thing. That way it's just not a hassle or a chore. I love doing these little chit chats on my webcam. I think they're fun. I could do this all day, actually. I think it's easy just to hit record and talk with you guys, have a nice little cup of coffee and discuss things that are working for me. Okay, so emailing. All right, get a hold of me. Or you can go to orderleadstoday.com. Watch that little video and you'll see why I'm kicking butt with emails. Orderleadstoday.com. Number 2, social media. Obviously, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. That's where everybody's eyeballs are. You can't lead a horse to water and make it drink and read email and, I don't know, watch videos. Maybe that horse is bored and wants to go all over the place. But right now, I think you guys would agree, TikTok dominates with Instagram along with Facebook. Those are the top 3 in my opinion. There's always going to be Twitter X. There's always going to be Threads. I don't know if Friendster and MySpace is still around, but I like to focus on the top 3. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebooky. All right. With the way I do things, less is more. I keep my posts more humorous and interesting. And that way people will click and watch videos. Okay. Obviously, I want you to watch the video that I'm making right now. But at the end of the day, I just love to promote clicking something and watching something. That's why I bought joincory.com. That's my name. People will just click, watch a little video, and in 15 seconds, they can tell if they even want any more information. Okay? And you can just delete this video link, this email. Maybe you saw my post on, let's say Facebook. Okay, but I'm really good at just keeping things simple now. I've learned a lot over the last year and a half. My 2 years of being in this business with 0 experience and 0 list comes around April of 2025. So I got about 2 more months before I can say happy birthday to me. But in 2 years, I wish 2 years ago I would come to the realization that if I just invite someone to click something, to watch something that's already produced, or maybe a video like I'm doing now, oh my God, I'd probably have thousands and thousands of more signups. Okay. I do enjoy training. I like giving little gossip or little tips about how I do certain things, but you need to be interested in Live Good before you go to point B and C and D and elemental P down your leg. Okay. And it all starts with just watching a 5-minute and 55-second video. And if you go to joincory.com, you'll see the video in the middle. It's a YouTube video. It's by CEO Ben Glinsky. He talks about the products, the opportunity, the comp plan. And guys, if you zone out and you're bored, you're just going to delete and go on your way. no harm, no foul. But if you watch the whole video, you'll probably put your name and email address in the little box next to it, and you'll get more information about Live Good via email every day. Or if you want to join, just open up your Live Good email you get, and you can. Okay? We have great products. We have 90 days, 3 months. Get your money back, no questions asked. Even if you pour all the protein powder out of the container, send it back to Jupiter, Florida, within 90 days, full refund. Okay? We know our products are the most potent and the best. We have the most expensive ingredients that go in each product, but we're by far the cheapest because we're wholesale based. You are the one that retails if you want. You pay $10 a month, you're going to get it as cheap as possible. Probably $1 or $2 over cost, and that's it. And if you want to resell it online or in your gym or maybe out of the back of your car, I always make that analogy. I used to always be in a parking lot and people would come up and go, hey, you want some stereo equipment? That's because I have long hair and tattoos. They're like, yeah, man, that guy likes probably Kiss and AC/DC, and he's going to buy stolen speakers. Okay. But no, you don't have to do that with Live Good. People can just go join as affiliates. It's only $40 one time. That's it. There's no, and there's more, and there's more. If you have $40, that's one and done. You pay that $40, you're an affiliate for life as long as you're a member. And even if you quit Live Good for 6 months over summer to relax and go screw off, you do the $40, you're an affiliate. You quit paying the $10 a month for 6 months. Let's say it's August, September. You're like, you know what? I want to start earning money. You just go ahead and start paying that $10 a month, activate your membership. Guys, you're right back to being an affiliate. All right. Isn't that awesome? So let's focus on a couple things. Let's get you emailing. Let's make you a little business card at Vistaprint or wherever you like to make cards. Go to GoDaddy, get a nice little domain name that you can forward to your Live Good capture page. And we'll make you kind of have a little sense of humor. Think Adam Sandler with Happy Gilmore. I just read part 2 is coming out on Netflix soon. What's your favorite comedy? All right. There's got to be something that just makes you feel good. Okay, just think of that when you do posts. You don't have to be all serious like you're getting sued in court or you're in trouble by the principal because you cut class. Have fun. Talk about your hobbies. Mess off a little bit. People will relate to you. No one believes this until I say it, and then someone will watch this and say, I agree, because I signed up with you, Cory, because of this. I've had people see the Hot Wheel logo above my head or my Kiss lamp. I've had people see the dolls or the Barbies. I have Farrah Fawcett Barbie right there. People are like, man, I'm totally into a couple things that you are. So I'm going to join you because it seems like you have more interest than just join, and protein powder, and rank up to bank up and all these stupid phrases. Just relax, guys. People will come to you because Live Good is a big, juicy piece of kick-ass. Okay? People will come. They'll relax. It's affordable. $10 a month, $40 one and done. The money part's not the issue. It's like, do you have time? And do you want to sit back for real an hour or two a day and just learn? And I think it's addicting. And this is my opinion, disclaimer, once you make a couple bucks, you're going to get addicted to doing this. Those movies and documentaries, they're still there. I love them. Okay? You can still do a lot of horsing off and screwing off and all that other crap online. It's all going to be there. But boy, I'll tell you what, if you start earning money online, it gets addicting bad. And I love it. I'm a big fan. I've been doing this almost 2 years. Let's see, April 2025. So I got a couple months. Happy birthday. 2 years is my thing. And I have more fun now than even when I first started because I didn't know what I was going to do, a year and 10 months ago. But now I do. I just invite you to a link to click to watch. And then I'm done. Live Good, customer service, shipping, handling, returns, designing the product, shipping the product, all the bull crap. Guys, all I do is invite people to click. And that's what I'm doing to you fine folks now. So if you sign up with me, please do what I do. Keep it fun, keep it simple, and your downline will do the same, and their downline will do the same. Let's just make thousands of people in everybody's groups. And let's make moolah. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? All right, I'll leave you guys. It looks like I'm doing a 10-minute. I thought I'd do a 5-minute video, but they always go to 10. They're my favorite. It gets the point across right at the 10 mark. Okay, that's how it always goes. So, all right, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I think you can see my email there right up on your screen, and you can see my invite. There's my thing I want you to do. I want you to go to joincory.com, okay? Watch that video. And that's it, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. and get a hold of me if I can help you. I don't mind. I'm not shy. I'll make time for you guys. All right. I'm not busy shopping with my millions of dollars like all these other buttholes on I just see everyone. They're like, don't bug me. I'm just so busy. Then you go to their Facebook page and they're posting pictures of pineapples or yelling at their favorite sport team or just doing stupid stuff like everyone else. All right. Okay. I'm done. Peace and love. Okay. And if you like Hot Wheels or Farrah Fawcett Barbie dolls, hey man, I'm digging that too. Okay. All right. Have a good one. We'll see you next video. Okay. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.